Hi everyone! Today we will be making bechamel or white sauce. So let's get it started. Set the heat to medium and start with melting the butter. We don't want to burn the butter, so toss it around the pan and play with it until it's melted. Show it your love. Keep melting it, just keep melting it. Once the butter is melted, we will add the flour. Keep mixing the flour until we get the consistency of a soft dough. We will add more flour if needed. As we can see, mine is a little runny, so I will add more flour. We need to add the flour in batches, as a lot of it really complicates things. If we add too much flour, we will need to melt more butter in another dish, and then we're not cooking with love, but with stress. This is the right texture. Time to add the milk. We will add the milk in batches as well, because if we add too much, then we need to both melt the butter and mix it with flour in another dish. Now the time is right for our morning workout routine. We need to keep mixing the sauce to avoid creating lumps. It might be easier for you to use a whisk, but as I have fat fingers, I usually break it. Once the sauce thickens, we will add more milk and continue with our morning workout routine. If you got up on the wrong foot, now it's the time to release all of that negative energy. It's both healthy and useful, as our sauce will taste better. We will add more milk. You might enjoy some music in the background while doing this and simply follow the music's rhythm. The more milk we add, the more time the sauce will need to thicken. We're approximately 60% done, so it is time to add pepper. I'm not adding salt, as I really want to feel the nutmeg. We will continue to care for our sauce, a few more minutes and it will be done. We will add the milk one last time before the nutmeg. Hang in there, we're almost done. It's time to add the nutmeg. I'm adding a lot of it, but you can add per taste, of course. I got a bit tired, but we can do it. The end is near. Just a little more mixing, and when the sauce thickens, it will be done. You might feel some pain in your shoulder, but it's worth it. At least we can complain to our wives as we are sacrificing ourselves for them. Who knows, we might even get a massage. Bear in mind that the sauce will thicken once cooled. Like, share and subscribe if you wish, but make sure to prove your love to the people you love daily. And the sauce is finally done. Turn the heat off to prevent the fire, and that's it. Bon appetit!